Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching Gadget Match. 3 weeks ago at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, Asus launched its entire Zenfone 5 lineup. And while its standard base Zenfone 5 turned the most heads for not so many reasons, it's this model which we think might end up being the most popular. This is our Asus Zenfone 5Q unboxing and hands-on. Before we begin, some clarification is in order. This is the Zenfone 5Q. It's one level below the baseline Zenfone 5. In Europe, it's called the Zenfone 5 Lite, and in South America, the Zenfone 5 Selfie. Confused? It's Asus. Get used to it. Okay, let's get on with it. Sliding off this sleeve reveals the actual box. Asus is keeping its slogan from last year, "We love photo." Let's take this out. So this is the Zenfone 5Q. We have it in midnight black. Honestly, black is getting boring. We were hoping for either the red or the white model, which we saw in Barcelona. Those two colors are much more exciting. Also in the box, micro USB cable, unfortunately still not USB-C, USB wall charger, a pair of headphones, and extra ear tips. Now that that's done, disappear. Let's take off the plastic and the sticker. This being the light variant of the Zenfone 5 series, you wouldn't think it would look and feel this premium, but the back is made of this reflective glass. And unlike the Zenfone 5, this one doesn't have the concentric circle design. I know that's supposed to be Asus signature and supposed to be something reserved for the more premium models, but we did like the non-concentric circle version. The headline feature of the Zenfone 5Q is its quad camera system, meaning 2 cameras on the back, 2 in front. Okay, first let's power on the phone and roll spec sheet. As to be expected from Asus, the 5Q will come in at least 2 variants. One that's powered by Snapdragon 430 and another by Snapdragon 630. The one we have is the Snapdragon 630 variant. Button and port placements are like this. On the right, volume rocker and power button. On the left, a triple card slot for 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card. On the bottom, a micro USB port and speaker grills. And up top, microphone and headphone jack. I must say, the new default wallpaper on the Zenfone 5 series makes a big difference in how the UI feels. It's more in line with Google's Material design and makes the phone look and feel more modern. Notification shade looks like this. Swiping right reveals the Google Now launcher, and swiping up brings you to the app drawer. Now let's dive into settings. You'll find that the Zenfone 5Q runs Android Nougat out of the box. Wait, what? In 2018, the Zenfone 4 is already getting Oreo updates. Asus says the Zenfone 5Q will get the Oreo update sometime in the 3rd quarter of this year. Since the phone sports a taller 18:9 aspect ratio, the fingerprint sensor is now found at the back of the device, even if the bottom chin is still thick enough to fit a physical home button. Also, unlike the Zenfone 5, the Zenfone 5Q's 6-inch display is notch-free. And personally, we love that. Another comparable phone with a quad camera setup is Huawei's Nova 2i, but unlike that phone, whose secondary 2-megapixel lenses are only for background blur, the Zenfone 5Q's quad cameras actually work individually. The second lens at the back is 8 megapixels and is a wide-angle camera, as is the secondary lens up front. Here are what photos look like. The only thing that we would have loved to see on the Zenfone 5Q is that AI camera that Asus put on the Zenfone 5, which can detect the object that it's taking a photo of and adjust settings accordingly. So, is the Asus Zenfone 5Q your gadget match? You'll have to wait for our review, and we're already working on it, but we'd love you to help contribute. So let us know in the comments section below what you'd like to see and what questions you'd like answered. But we feel that the Zenfone 5Q is already a front-runner in the mid-range segment with its quad camera setup and its premium design. In Taiwan, it retails for just under 10,000 Taiwanese dollars. That's about just under $400 US. And that was our Zenfone 5Q unboxing and hands-on. For more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow Gadget Match on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next one, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.